One of our major obstacles is the false idea that we are here to have a calm, peaceful life. We are here to know why we are here. If we remember this, then every difficulty in life has something to offer us. Taking life as it comes, whatever comes, in acceptance, is vitality. Recognizing that every experience comes to you to teach you something, that is great vitality. In the heart of existence, there exists the vibration called love. Love is the intimate connection of all that exists to the divine nature of existence. There are many dimensions to this word, only some of which we are familiar with. Ordinary love often turns into its opposite. That's why love and hate are two poles of our unconscious ordinary life. At the same time, that polarity is part of the dynamic of existence. Tasting unity and diversity, and transforming diversity into unity, are expressions of the divine intelligence. In the moment love is expressed and experienced, opposites dissolve in unity. The more you see of yourself, the easier it becomes to forgive others. You begin to see that you have done or could do what someone else did if you had gone through all the same experiences and conditions they did. The more you see of yourself, the more your capacity for love and kindness grows. Everyone, without exception, deserves your well-wishing, including yourself. Moment after moment, existence is blessing everything that exists.